Hey, so welcome to Grizzly Bear's first WordPress theme called Ansel by Grizzly Themes. So it's very exciting. It's our first WordPress theme that is now ready to go and be used by you guys. So you'll see that I've got a client here, James Mottram Photography, which has been populated the website and all kind of built. All the content's in. It needs loads of tidying up. Content needs changing, etc. So I'm just going to direct the client how to use the website. There's going to be a few loose ends, obviously, but this should give you a good overview of how to use the website once it's all installed for you. So over here is the usual WordPress dashboard. If you're not familiar with WordPress, it may look quite daunting at first, but there's just a lot of options here which you don't really need to be concerned about, but I'll talk you through them generally during this video. Okay, so at the top we can see actually there's a caching issue here. Caching is just basically the internet or your internet provider still referencing images from the old server. So at the moment, this website, jamesmottram.com, it used to be on Bluehost hosting, and that's why it's feeding in this favicon at the top. So it wouldn't actually do that on a new browser. You can see the Grizzly Bear favicon on the new website here. So anyway, on to the website. So you'll see the dashboard area here. Posts is in relation to your blog. So I will click on blog here. And we'll see the blogs in here. So there's various test blogs in here that have been uploaded, and these are just in relation to the blogs, which should just be like that. So there's a few in already. So that's that. So if you want to, you can delete some of these, or you can just go into them and just edit them. So you could name it whatever. Name it up here. Whatever the wedding is, the venue. Think about SEO when you're naming your title of your blog, and obviously you upload all the content for the blog here, and you can see down here how to upload images. So that's the featured image. Looks like the gallery's not turned on at the moment. Yep, there we go. So just a little note, I think this is actually a bit of a bug which we need sorting out. And now, if you cannot see any galleries, any images for the galleries on any page, it's possible that you need to go up to the top and click on Screen Options, and then just click that again, click Gallery, and then it'll appear down the bottom. So you can see here is where you add the images for each blog. So I'm just going to click into this blog number, which is blog number 1, to show you it working. Blog number 1 all the way down here. It's not there. I think it must be. It'll be on like a second page, and that's not actually turned on at the moment, which I'll get turned on. So click on Read More. So I'm just going to go to the correct blog so you can see the images. Blog 2. And you can see that these photos are in relation to the gallery, so you just need to upload them in there. So again, click Screen Options and Gallery, and it should appear. So there you can see the two images there, these images here, in your update. So you just click on Add to Gallery, and then you can see you have a media library here which contains every single image that's been uploaded to the website so far. You click on Upload Files, and you can simply drag and drop from your folder. So if I just go to a folder that I've got over here, so I just simply drag and drop these images into there, like that, and then you just click Add to Gallery, and it'll add them in. So obviously, remember at this stage you need to be adding in photos that are the correct sizes. So just make sure that you are sorry, that's Pinterest. Just make sure that you're uploading the correct size photos. If you're ever unsure about that, just go to your media library and just check what the photo sizes are. I'll give you a guide to the actual photo sizes separately for this anyway. So here they're actually 849 by 566. You're gonna I'll give you the standard sizes for the website to be uploaded after this video. Okay, so go back to posts. So again, these are all the blogs. I've just shown you how to edit a blog. Okay, so imagine that you've uploaded your first blog, you've put all your images in, you might have 30, 40 photos to put into your gallery here. You've got your featured image, which is in relation to the top image, which is in relation to this image, apologies. That is your featured image. And then you always want to preview before you update, because preview just allows you to see the blog or web page that you've updated before putting it live. So you can see if it looks a bit crazy or you've made a mistake, you just check it on here, and you can just, once you're happy, then you just click update, and then that's the blog or that page live on the main website here. So scroll down. So I'll explain what media is. Media is just your media library, like I said before. So this contains all your photos. You'll be able to see them. You can go into each one and just add captions. You can add alt text. You can add description. This is all good for SEO if you do that. I've got a separate video to explain the best way of doing that, which you can watch on my YouTube channel. So pages is in relation to all the pages which are on the website. So this is probably the main area that you're going to be working on to begin with. So pages is in relation to all these ones here. So you'll see home, about, portfolio, pricing, home, about, portfolio, and pricing. So let's look at the home page first. You can see all the content on here. So click on home. You can switch between the pages quite easily here if you want to. Home is just the name, the name of the page, so you have that. Here is where you type in what you want to say. Here, obviously, you'll just be able to work this out as you go along. Hey, I am Ansel theme. So you change that to hey, I'm James, or welcome to my website, and you change the content to whatever you want to change it to. So you could do it in little stages if you wanted. So change your text here and change the text here, and then you could preview the changes first. Just make sure you're happy. So preview changes. You'll see that it's updated here. I'm James. So that's sorted. And then you could just click update if you're happy with that. So scroll down, you'll notice that Yoast SEO plugin is installed and activated. I also don't be concerned with this at the moment. I've got a video for this on my YouTube channel to explain how to use Yoast as well. So ignore that for now and just scroll to the bottom and you'll see gallery is activated. So these photos here are all in relation to your slider, your homepage slider. So you'll see again, these are all in there at the moment. So if you're going to upload any more, make sure they're the correct size. They all have to be the same size and the same proportion. If they're different proportion sizes, then it'll just mess up the whole design. So check the sizes, and again, I will send you the correct sizes for the website after this video. So that's the